Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the trickle function in the MicroStar controller. The trickle function can be used to let a small amount of current flow at the end of a plating cycle. This will keep the part from etching before an operator can attend to it. The trickle feature is one of the additional features available at an extra charge. So in this example, I have a 1 amp output with a 10-second cycle. To access the trickle feature, I press the F1 key. Here I can turn the trickle mode on or off. Here I can set the trickle level. Here I have it set to 5% of my output, or 50 milliamps, which is 5% of 1 amp. Enter. Trickle mode is on. Escape. You can see now I have a trickle function enabled by the small t. Start my cycle by pressing the operate button. The unit will first go into trickle mode. Press it again, and it will start the cycle. When the cycle stops, the unit will output 50 milliamps until the standby button is pushed. Thank you for watching.